Edouard, thank you so much for taking the time. Maybe a
Welcome.
place to start would be if you could just introduce yourself and tell us a little bit about what your company does.
Sir, I'm Edouard. I'm the CEO of Trampoline AI. We are a AI workspace for pre-sales team in the service industry and enterprise SaaS, basically selling to enterprise customers. We have an AI project manager helping you streamline all your pre-sales coordination and work.
Very cool. Very cool. And how big's the team right now?
We're about five, a little bit more than that with the freelancers and stuff, but yeah, five.
Awesome. And whereabouts are you based?
We're based in Montreal.
Based in Montreal. Very cool. Very cool. And when you started using Venn, what were you using before maybe to manage your business expenses, your payments?
We were using a Banque Nationale, which was a total mess compared to the gap between what we needed and what they were offering didn't make sense. And it really started out of a frustration of every time I would log into the Banque Nationale interface, I felt like I was taking a time travel machine and landing back in the early 2000s. So that was the first problem. But then the second issue was that we only had one credit card and it was a bit complicated to use it, to reconcile stuff. So the first reason we went to Venn was that we needed a way to credit cards. And then we stayed at Venn because I liked a lot of the features that were there. Like the interface was intuitive enough that for me, it was easy to just go do something, go out. I didn't have to get the interface the way that I had to relearn the interface with Banque Nationale. I also very much liked how you could use them to have an admin, executive admin, prepare all the transaction, and I just need to approve them. So that is something we use every day almost. So every morning I have a list of, hey, can you approve this, expense things? One other thing that we really liked was the ability to upload the receipts. You get an SMS link, you get an email link that says, hey, can you receipt here? That really saves us a lot of time, because it's instant. You get a reminder that you should take a picture of this receipt and send it. Honestly, those three things made us stay with Venn. And we've been very happy so far.
That's incredible. That's incredible. And so happy to hear the features are being taken advantage of in that way.
Yeah.
Maybe looking back, without the ability to capture those receipts in an instant and automate some of the reconciliation, or without the ability to have a seamless approval workflow on transactions taking place, what type of impact did that have on your business, or would it have had?
As a founder, I want to spend most of my time managing the business and not just dealing with petty cash. It's very frustrating when the year comes to a close and you realize that you have 736 transactions where you don't have a receipt for, and they're all transactions that are less than $50 each. It's very, very frustrating because you know that you're going to spend twice, or if not 5 times more time, now doing that work because you could have done it right at the good moment. It's a huge waste of time to do those things. And I like the fact that a bank is doing it instead of me having to rely on a third party to do it. Like Dex, for example, could have done it for me. But I like the fact that it's baked into the bank things, which means that I give access to one person, and the reimbursement happens within the same environment of where we see the receipts from.